Alright, this is the third part of the basic cursor movements in Vim. For this video, I'm going to show you how you can move the cursor to specific lines. So before that, I need to display the number of each line. So for that, I'm going to command mode by pressing column and execute the command set number. Alright. So remember, if you want to deactivate the numbers, you just have to go to the command mode again and then execute the command set number. Alright. Once you press enter, the numbers will disappear. But for this video, I'm going to need the numbers. So let's begin by placing the cursor to a specific line. Right? Let's say that I want to place the cursor on line 26. In order to do that, I type the number 26 and then uppercase G. And you can see the cursor on line 26, as you can see right now. Okay? Alright. Now, another way to do this is by going to the command mode again and then typing the number of the line you want to put the cursor on. Okay, for example, let's say 42. I type 42 in command mode, press enter, and you will see the cursor on line 42. Okay, very good. I'm going to the beginning of the line because I'm going to show you how to scroll up and scroll down. If you want to scroll down fast, hold down the control key and then press D. And you will see that the cursor will move faster, or well, very fast until the end of the content. Now if you want to scroll up fast, hold down the control key and press U. And you will see the opposite, okay? This is the fastest way to scroll up and scroll down. But if you want to scroll down line by line, like in any other text editor, you hold down the control key and press E key, and you will see that the content is scrolling down line by line. Now if you want to do the opposite, hold down the control key and press Y to go up line by line. Alright? Good. Now, going to the beginning again. The next command or key I want to show you is the curly braces. The curly braces, what it does is move the cursor by empty lines. If I press close braces or closing brace, the cursor will move to the next empty line. If I press it again, it will move to the next empty line. If you want to go up, what you have to do is to press the open brace, okay, and we'll go up empty lines. This time the cursor is looking for empty lines. Now, this command also has increments, or we can tell Vim how many times I want to execute this command. For example, let's say that I want to go to the third, well, because I am at the beginning of the file, I want to go to the third empty line, what I see right now. To do that, you just have to type the number 3 and then the close brace. And there we have it. The cursor went to the third empty line. You can do the opposite with, we can use increment, with in opposite direction. For example, if I want to go up, for example, let's say 2 and then open brace, you will see that it will go to the second, it will going up to the second empty line. All right, this command is very useful to navigate between paragraphs, okay, when you have long files to edit. So well, this is everything for this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you some useful commands that is also available for editing. So I see you there.